Read the following extract and answer the question given below. Poetry है ये, 5 lines of the poetry, and that is of class 9th from the book. I shall be telling this with a sigh. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. Now here we have to answer read the poetry 2 or 3 times and try to understand it. Then after we have to answer this question. What is the meaning of wood? What is the meaning of wood? Two roads diverge in a wood. Two roads diverge in a wood. Here the meaning of wood is forest. The meaning of wood is forest. Two roads diverged in a forest. In a forest, two roads diverged. Where were the two roads diverged? Where were the two roads diverged? Two roads diverged in a wood. The answer of this question will be the two roads diverged in a wood. Now third, write the meaning of the phrase ages and ages hence. Ages and ages hence. वर्षों लग जाते हैं, तो आज से वर्षों लग जाएंगे. एजेज एंड एजेज मतलब कई साल. तो क्या हो गया? एजेज एंड एजेज मीन्स आफ्टर वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड, आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, फ्रॉम नाउ. हैंस मतलब फ्रॉम नाउ. आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड फ्रॉम नाउ. एजेज एंड एजेज हैंस. What has made all the differences? What has made all the differences? Our selection of the road. See here, I took the less traveled by. यानी selection, ठीक है? The selection of the road या selection of anything made all the differences. Selection of anything made all the differences. What is the meaning of sigh here? What is the meaning of sigh? टू टेक डीप ब्रीथ, लंबी सांस लेते हुए. एक्सप्रेसिंग ग्रीफ, दुख. what is the meaning of sigh? See the poem. See in poem. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence. यानी बहुत ही संकोच से वो कह रहा है, लंबी सांस लेकर के दुख व्यक्त करते हुए कह रहा है कि इफ माई सिलेक्शन ऑफ द रोड समवेयर इज, उसमें सिलेक्शन ऑफ द रोड में यदि मैं एक रोड पे चला गया तो दूसरे रोड पे आने, रिवाइज करने के लिए, मतलब फिर से उस रोड जगह पे आने के लिए मुझे वर्षों लग जाएंगे. कब मैं वहाँ पे लौटूंगा या नहीं. इसका जो मीनिंग है, सेंस है, वो ये है कि यदि हम कोई सिलेक्शन आज करते हैं तो वो सिलेक्शन जो है, हमारा सिलेक्शन, उस सिलेक्शन के बाद हम किसी दूसरी चीज़ को सेलेक्ट करें तो उसमें हमको बहुत समय लग जाता है. और ये भी हो सकता है कि हम वहाँ पे लौटें या ना लौटें. तो जो है वो एक्सप्रेसिंग ग्रीफ, दुख व्यक्त करते हुए वो इस बात को कह रहा है. दिस इज़ द पोएट्री, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू पोएट्री यू हैव टू राइट the answers of the given questions. Okay, thank you.